Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing a website and its content to improve its visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. By optimizing your website and product listings for search engines, you can increase your visibility, drive more traffic to your site, and ultimately boost your sales. In this article, we will explore some of the key strategies that you can use to optimize your website and product listings for search engines. Conduct keyword research. The first step in optimizing your website and product listings for search engines is to conduct keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for, and then incorporating those keywords into your website's content and product listings. By targeting the right keywords, you can increase your visibility in SERPs and drive more relevant traffic to your site. Optimize your website structure. The structure of your website plays a crucial role in how search engines crawl and index your site. By optimizing your website structure, you can make it easier for search engines to understand the relevance and authority of your site. This includes using clear and descriptive URLs, using header tags, H1, H2, etc., to organize your content, and using alt tags to describe images. Optimize your product listings. Optimizing your product listings is another important step in optimizing your website for search engines. This includes using keywords in your product titles and descriptions, using high-quality images and videos, and providing detailed product information. Additionally, it's important to include structured data, like schema markup, in your product listings, which helps search engines understand the context of your products and improves the display of your products in SERPs. Create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is another important strategy for optimizing your website for search engines. This includes writing informative and engaging blog posts, creating product guides, and publishing industry-specific articles. By creating high-quality content, you can attract backlinks from other websites, which can help to improve your visibility in SERPs. Build backlinks. Building backlinks is another important strategy for optimizing your website for search engines. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. The more high-quality backlinks that your site has, the more authoritative it will be in the eyes of search engines. You can build backlinks by creating high-quality content, reaching out to other websites and bloggers in your industry, and participating in online communities. Optimize for local SEO. If your business has a physical location, it's important to optimize for local SEO. Local SEO involves optimizing your website and online listings to rank well in local search results. This includes including your address and contact information on your website, creating local content, and listing your business on local directories like Google My Business. Use analytics. Using analytics is another important strategy for optimizing your website for search engines. This includes setting up Google Analytics on your site, tracking your website's traffic and engagement, and identifying which pages and keywords are driving the most traffic to your site. By using analytics, you can identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your SEO strategy as needed. Monitor your competition. Monitoring your competition is also important in optimizing your website for search engines. By keeping an eye on your competitors' SEO strategies and ranking, you can identify opportunities to improve your own SEO and find new keywords and phrases to target. In conclusion, optimizing your website and product listings for search engines is crucial for driving traffic to your site and increasing your visibility online. By conducting keyword research, optimizing your website structure, optimizing your product listings, creating high-quality content, building backlinks, optimizing for local SEO, using analytics, and monitoring your competition, you can improve your website's visibility in SERPs and drive more relevant traffic to your site. Additionally, it's important to regularly update and maintain your website and its content to ensure that it stays relevant and up to date. By following these strategies and staying up to date with the latest SEO trends and best practices, you can improve your website's SEO and ultimately boost your online sales.